2:46 p.m. 2023, March 31st. We're in a severe thunderstorm warning. It's coming from the south. We're in the very northern edge. We're got a tornado watch until 8 p.m. It doesn't look severe here, but we're on the northern edge of it, so I don't know. I also got some bad news, so it could turn out to be very, 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 very bad. But I'm just going to trust God that, it'll be somehow taken care of. Otherwise, I have no control at all. I won't have any control. And then whatever happens, happens. And then whatever happens to me, happens. I'm hoping that I still have somewhere to go. I mean, I don't know. Some of the people that said, I could stay with them. It's not necessarily. It could turn out that it doesn't work out that way. I don't know. I don't want to say anything because I don't know for sure on anything. But things could turn out really bad. It's possible. I'm hoping it doesn't. Lord, I just got to give you control. Take it again. You're in control. I love you. Please help me. All right, love you guys. God bless.